How's it going? My name is Dan Marrow. I'm a sports med student here at Westfield State University. I took the time to research effects of pre-sleep protein intake on muscular adaptations and overnight recovery. I chose this research topic as my passion for the gym has fueled my curiosity about optimal nutrition for muscle growth and recovery. My own journey has led me to understand how the gym kind of aligns with some of the latest research on this topic. With the development and growth of muscle, the things you eat and when you eat them are the most important. Most people know about the role of protein intake as it's required to help your body repair and build new cells, as well as stimulate muscle protein synthesis. But many people often overlook the idea of pre-sleep protein, which is a beneficial option to enhance the body and allow it to repair and build muscle during the overnight hours. While this option is not necessary or the only option, it is a very unique and easy way to increase all these aspects. Including some of my research, my review of literature, the majority of the articles I read into suggested 30 to 40 grams of protein being the ideal amount before bed to increase the rate of protein synthesis. This change allows for a rise in muscular adaptations such as muscle mass, strength, and hypertrophy. Along with my research, some other future experiments that I would love to look more into include whether or not pre-sleep protein intake is the best option before sleep, or if it's just as effective as any other time point during the day, as well as if you can add carbohydrates and fats, and if those would influence the body's response. Thank you.